The camera shutter sound kasha is an onomatopoeic representation of the moment when the camera's shutter clicks during a photograph. It captures the rapid opening and closing of the shutter mechanism, accompanied by a resonating vibration. This short and sharp sound evokes excitement and joy, encapsulating the thrill of capturing a decisive moment. The kasha sound freezes time, encapsulating the essence of the photograph. With a single click, it etches the memory of the image deep into people's hearts.